Welcome to my channel today. Vocational training in Germany is just another term for Ausbildung in Germany. Why choose vocational training in Germany, and what are the Ausbildung's benefits of vocational training in Germany? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system, offering a unique blend of hands-on experience and academic learning. It's a hand and learn mode of learning, and it's a perfect place to develop skills in a practical settings. And this can open doors to a multitude of career opportunities. Vocational training in Germany is another ladder to career success here in Germany. So let's dive into today's video. This is a continuation video, a vocational training in Germany continuation video about Berufe in Kunst and Werk. That is professions in the arts and crafts. I have discussed careers and till 6, 7, 8, 9 careers, and this is the 9th careers I'll be discussing. 9th and 10th career I'll be discussing. This you can find in my playlist, which is in the Arts and Craft Ausbildung in Germany. When it comes to arts and crafts, that is arts Ausbildung in Germany, I've discussed 1 to 8, and this is the 9th area of specialization of career opportunities, as in Ausbildung opportunities you can access in Germany. You can be a foreigner, you can be a non-foreigner. The most important thing is these opportunities are available here for you in Germany. So the first career I'll be discussing, which is the 9th career, as the picture beside me is showing, Holzspielzeugmacherin, that is wooden toy maker. If you want to become a wooden toy maker in Germany, the duration is 3 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training, and the duration is 3 years. I'm sure a lot of people say, why 3 years? Why would I 3 years? Because you become so skilled and you become best at what you do. Now, do you need a certificate? If you have any certificates, yes, you are accepted. And the most important thing is your German language. Like I will say, the level of the German language you need depends on the in-depth, the technical terms that you have to deal with when it comes to any vocational training in Germany. And if you have any certificate you want to go into any vocational training in Germany, when it comes to most intensive vocational training, then you must understand that you have to standardize your document, which is Anerkennung. It's called Anerkennung. So going back to our career that we're discussing here, the Holzspielzeugmacherin, which is a wooden toy maker. What do they do? As a wooden toy maker, you produce wooden toys. Example, maybe in the Spielplatz, which is the playground here, we see a lot of wooden houses, wooden toys that children can play with, or like a sheep, like a captain sheep, wooden toy, playground thing. Once you are into the wooden toy aspect, you produce wooden toys and decorative wooden objects as well. Based on your own design, you have your own design or specifications from school or specifications from customers. You select the suitable type of wood that adheres to that follows safety regulation standard, and you store them and dry them properly to make sure that the toys that you are producing are child-safe design, children-safe design. You make sure that the wooden toy surfaces, the individual parts are assembled, and there are no issues at all when it comes to playing with these objects for children. You also treat the wooden surfaces with varnishes and glazes, and you restore wooden objects that are not in good order. For example, clocks, you repair them. Wooden clocks, you repair them as well. So where do you find employment if you are a wooden toy maker? You find employment in toy workshops or toy manufacturing companies. Toy workshops or toy manufacturing companies, that is where you find employment, or social houses where people come to work. So basically manufacturing companies or toy workshops, that is where you find employment. And you are into toys, making wooden toys. We have a lot of wooden toys here that we see that our children play with, and you take care of figures, wooden figures as well. You make sure that they are brought back into their first state if they are damaged in one area or the other. So this is the end of the first career. It's a 3-year course, and it's also a recognized training. It's an anerkannte Ausbildung. It is a recognized vocational training in Germany. So I'll see you in the next part of the video. This is just the first career option, which is the 9th. So the 10th career option when it comes to this Ausbildung opportunities in Germany, I'll discuss in the second part of the video. So I'll see you in the second part of this video. So welcome to the second part of the video. That is the career option you're seeing beside me is Careerpathfinder. That's a ceramist. The duration is 3 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung period. It's a recognized training. Do you need a certificate? If your German language is important, if you want to come into this vocational training in Germany as a ceramist or Careerpathfinder. So what do you do? As a ceramist, what you do is you produce, among other things, tiles, decorative utility ceramics such as cup, plates, flower pots, vases, and some of which you design by yourself. So if you don't use a ready-made working material, you mix clay as the picture is showing, and you depending on the project, different shaping processes are used. So you use clay. Clay is like mud. You make it into ceramics, and you use the potter's wheel as sculptures for modeling your design, and you cast them into molds. So you produce different types of design. Then you put it in the firing oven for it to be solidified. Depending on the size of the business, you are involved in the production of products, a lot of products, the presentation and sales of products. So design, you do the design. If you're using the potter's clay, using the potter's machine, the potter's wheel, and using clay, you design flower vases, big flower vases, small flower vases. You put them in the firing oven. It's being baked, and with your design, anything you want, you can carve it out. You can design it or mold it out, I would rather say. So where do you find employment if you are a ceramist? For vocational training in Germany, if you go into the ceramist career option, you find employment in small or medium-sized ceramics business. People that are into molding, designing flower vases, designing tiles, designing anything, they are into the business. That is where you find employment. Or in social welfare institutions with in-house pottery workshops, social institutions, maybe homes that people live in, and they are a welfare social institution where they have workshops where they train people how to make use of clay and to become a ceramist. So these two vocational training are still under vocational training in arts and culture. That is Berufung Kunst and Werk, Arts and Crafts. This is still the area of specialization. So there are still more career options that are still coming under this vocational training area of specialization. So I'll see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? So when more career opportunities come, vocational career opportunities, there are lots of benefits when it comes to vocational training in Germany. So in this video, we've discussed a lot. We've discussed the requirements, the certificates, what you do, your job market. This we've discussed. And this you can as well understand that it's a earn and learn, which is another benefit, a earn and learn way of learning in Germany, vocational training. So don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. I'll see you in my next video.